Welcome back to Maths Fundamentals. Today, we are starting a new topic, which is geometric construction, or construction in short. Here are some of the instruments that you need in order to do well in this topic. You need a pair of compasses, or a compass, a ruler, a protractor, and a pencil. Now, let's get started. Now, I'll tell you how to use these tools. We'll see how we can use them, how you can use a protractor, what these numbers in the outer shell mean, and these inside, how to use these two scales, okay? So basically, you need a ruler, a protractor, and a compass. Under this topic, you are required to know how to bisect a line or a side. So that's the first thing we are going to do. Let's start with the bisecting a side. What am I going to do? I'll get my ruler and make a line of about 5 centimeters. After that, get your compass. You put it on one end of that line or side, then extend it halfway through that line, then make sure it's tightened nicely and make some arcs, okay? So make an arc here on top, then also make an arc down there. Now, using the same measurement, carry the compass, bring it to the other end of the side, make another arc, then again this other side, make another arc. Where those arcs cross each other, then I'm going to bring a ruler. I'll draw a straight line through those points where those arcs cut through into each other. So I'll draw a line. And that's it. You have managed to bisect or divide a line into 2 equal parts. This is a 5 centimeters line. So, what is half of 5 centimeters? Is 2.5. As simple as that. Okay, now let's move on how to use remember, a protractor is used to measure angles. I'll draw an line. Something like this, okay? Now we want to measure this angle, the amount of turning. This center point of the protractor has to be at the corner where the angle you're measuring. So I'll carry that protractor and put it exactly there. And it has to be aligned straight to the other base of the line, okay? The numbers that are outside, they are bigger numbers, as you can see. It's up to 180. It starts from 0 up to here. So, when what you are measuring is on the right side of the point here, then you use the inside numbers, okay? The inside numbers. So we use from 0 going this way, okay? Now we have to find, it's already 40 here. Now we have to find this guy here. This 40 is 140 here. It coincides with that one. So we have 41, 42, 43, 44. This angle here, it is 44 degrees. What if what you are measuring is on the left side of the point you are measuring? So let us see. We want to measure this angle here using a protractor. So remember, get your protractor and make sure it lies straight to that point here. This 90 degrees line has to be at that particular point where the turning is, okay? And what we are measuring is on the left side of that point, as you can see. So when it is on the left side, we'll use the outer numbers. So we already know this line here is 40, so it will be 41, 42, 43. So it is somehow 42.25, or the nearest is 43. So remember, in an exam, they'll mark you to a degree of accuracy of about 0.2. So even when your answer is about 2 units away from the exact answer, you are going to get the answer correct, okay? So they give you a degree of uncertainty. 43 or 42 will be accepted. What about bisecting an angle? So now, how do you bisect an angle? Let's say they have told you to bisect this angle here. You get a compass, put it there, and just reduce it in size as small as possible. I'll draw an arc like that. I'll get my compass and put it where that arc crosses the other side. Then extend the compass. I can even extend it outside the diagram. And I'll make an arc. Also lift it, put it on the other side where it crosses, and make an arc. Where these two crosses, I'll get my ruler now. Draw a straight line through where these guys intersect each other. That is how you bisect an angle or divide an angle into two equal parts. In the next lesson, we are going to discuss or learn about how to construct a geometric figure using the measurements that may be provided or angles that may be given to you.